How to rotate wallpapers on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. From your library, find and select the photo you want to use as your wallpaper. Now, tap on the Edit icon at the bottom. Then, tap the Crop icon at the bottom right. Tap on the Rotate icon in the top left to change the image's orientation. Once done, tap on Done at the top right corner to save. Now, go to your home screen and open up the Settings app. In Settings, scroll down and tap on Wallpaper. Tap on Add New Wallpaper and then select Photos. Find and select the photo you just rotated. The photo will appear in your new rotation. You can pinch to crop it. After that, tap on Add at the top right corner. Finally, tap on Set as Wallpaper Pair to confirm. As you can see, the rotated wallpaper is now set. Following these steps, you can easily rotate wallpapers on an iPhone.